Yeah, so the reason why we chose these herbs in specific is, again, always going back to the information within the book. I looked up fractures, I looked up tendinitis, I looked up tendinitis, arthritis, carpal tunnel, and all of it is really specific to the tendons, right? Tendinitis is inflammation of the tendon. Now that could happen within the whole body. We have tendons all across our body, from our eyes to our ears to the muscles and joints and ligaments. There's tendons all across the body. So for something so powerful as to healing all of those little areas that we're not even conscious of, that's what makes this blend so powerful. You are gonna feel a release from the pain that you are having, but in overall, you're gonna be healing the entire body. So within the pain relief blend, we have cat's claw, devil's claw, feverfew, skullcap, lemon peel, which is a vitamin C booster, and ginger. And ginger is actually the #1 herb to prevent arthritis because it stops cytokines from releasing. It's like these little byproducts when the white blood cells go into the area and it's sending signal, hey, inflammation, white blood cell go in and cytokines release and it settles in the joints. Now, ginger prevents that from happening, so it prevents arthritis. That in combination with vitamin C really boosts the power of the herb. Cat's claw releases your body's natural sterols. Devil's claw is inflammatory or reduces inflammation along with feverfew. And skullcap, most importantly, relaxes your nervous system. So while your body is relaxed and your nervous system is able to replenish itself, you're having the benefit of all those other superhero herbs within the bag.